Hello and welcome to Manthan's I Matter conversation. As I had promised, we have Aisha with us in another podcast. So, Aisha, people have really heard you well and they actually wanted to hear more about you. And जैसे हमारी बात हुई थी, the topic on which we left previously was something which I really wanted you to, talk about more. And obviously वो काफ़ी बड़ा वीडियो हो जाता, so we thought of doing it afresh. How are you?
I'm doing well. आप कैसे हो?
ग्रेट 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 वैसे ये 15-20 मिनट में ज़्यादा कुछ बदले नहीं हैं हम लोग ऑडियंस के लिए इट इज़ कमिंग
Yeah.
आफ्टर लॉन्ग टाइम
Yeah.
बट या वी आर गुड टू टॉक सो लास्ट टाइम व्हेन यू वर टॉकिंग अबाउट दिस थिंग कि इट इज़ गुड टू बी रेबल you know your signing of notes was be a rebel.
Hmm.
So let's talk about this more.
Hmm.
क्यों करना है रेबल तुमको इतना ज़्यादा? पहले रेबल करना क्या है तुम्हारे लिए? What is it?
Choosing what you want and not what other wants for you to do.
Hmm. Okay.
So I think that's rebel for me.
Hmm.
And why I say it's important to be a rebel because I feel personally I have lived my life to many expectations of people and it did not make me happy at the end of the day.
Hmm.
And I feel in the end if something you did all your day does not make you feel satisfied, smile, or just like even a hope of something to look after the next day,
Hmm.
that's not something you should keep pursuing. So when I say be a rebel, I personally mean is fight for what you want. Because
Hmm.
if you don't fight for yourself,
Right.
don't fight for what you want, nobody's gonna do that for you. Be it your friends, family, anyone.
Hmm.
Because growing up we always, especially when you grow up, your parents expect you to be a surgeon, मेरा बच्चा डॉक्टर बनेगा, मेरा बच्चा इंजीनियर बनेगा, मेरा
जी.
बच्चा मेरे पसंद से शादी करेगा,
Hmm.
like you always, you have made up कि भाई मेरा बच्चा मेरे हिसाब से करेगा. And when you keep following that path, there are many people who do feel satisfied in there, but there are very rare chances of that.
जी.
And many of the people, they want to pursue something else,
Hmm.
which either they're not allowed or they're too scared to talk about it.
Right.
So I think being a rebel does not mean कि भाई झगड़े करो. For me, being a rebel is take a stand. I want this. This is what I want, and I don't mind if you support it, but this is what I support myself for.
Right.
Because when you say you're on your own kid, you have to be on your own, no matter how, no matter if you have any कोई नहीं है तब भी.
Hmm.
I think for me, being a rebel is the I always say to people, if they're like हमारे family मानती नहीं है, हमारे friends नहीं मानते, like be a rebel, fight for it.
But क्या ये इतना easy होता है? Like
Nothing
now
comes
that
easy.
we're talking on this and you off camera भी हम discuss कर रहे थे, right? कि आज आप शायद उस लेवल पर आ चुकी हैं that you're owning this with pride, right? And I can vouch for this. A lot of people I know, you know, mm, they can't afford this bearable attitude. They're scared, they are unsure, they are not allowed, right? So a lot of conditioning, right? Both internal conditioning and your social conditioning, your family conditioning. So what do you have to say to them? How was your journey in this? I'm pretty sure you must also have gone through
When okay, when I was born, all my life I've been told that my बेटी बड़े के डॉक्टर बनेगी
that.
एमबीबीएस करेगी. इतना बोला कि मुझे बायो से बहुत प्यार हो गया था. तो I did NEET, but I didn't get in the first attempt, and secondly, I did not feel like I made for this. तो फिर मैं psychology में आई, which I actually wanted to do.
जी.
बट बचपन से एक्टिंग का किरदार है अंदर से. एक्टिंग करने में एक्टिंग करना है, जब भी स्कूल पे होते थे वगैरह. But I knew back then in my mind कि there would be no support from the family about this. They would always be like, नहीं बेटा ये फील्ड अच्छी नहीं, बेटा ये फील्ड अच्छी नहीं है. And I didn't do it for the first 20 years of my life professionally, going in front of a camera of a production and all of that. But one random day I decided, Mom, this is what I want. And I fought for it. And I have, when I say I fought for it, I have actually, I don't want to open about that, but I have actually fought for it to a point where there were days when I know I have to be on my own, and I was like literally alone. It's not just like घर पे.
Yeah.
There were days I spent outside my house just to convince my family that I want to pursue this. So eventually it did happen a couple of times, and then now they do understand that it is what I want to do, but I feel it's too late for them to realize that up now I feel like I've chosen the path. And of course there are sacrifices that you make in this field. As I said, I don't get to see my cat often because that cat is my child. Ilo is my baby.
Ilo, right?
Ilo, yeah, he is my cat.
आप बताएंगे ये आइलो कैसे आया? The whole आइलो name.
Okay, my name is Aisha. So मैंने अपने नाम का AYE लिया और love का LO. So AYELO, Aisha's love Ilo.
Aisha's love Ilo.
Yeah.
Aisha's love Ilo. Are you listening to this?
I won't understand it, but yeah. Ilo, and he was 45 days when I bought him. And I bought him in a very bad stage of my life because I felt like an animal could heal in ways no human can.
Yes.
And
This is true.
that creature, that small 45 days little species has helped me be a person who I am today. And it's my dream to start a foundation called Ilo Foundation in coming like 2-3 years for animals. Because that day when I saw a dog dying out there and they were foundation saying कि हम पैसा लेंगे, nobody cared about their life, all they cared about money. Is that I want to make sure that every animal who is sleeping without food, or I think I want to live for animals now. It's my main purpose.
Done with humans now.
Yeah, I'm low-key done with humans now. But animals is always, I think after being Ilo, I have become changed as a person. So
Yes. Nice. I mean, वो count हो रहा है. This is all building up to what you are being.
And the why
Yeah, there's this book, Being and Becoming.
Yeah, I know. I have.
Yeah.
I've not read, but I have in my
Yeah,
shelf.
go with it. So it's actually what you're saying. Anyways, so from Milo, let's go back to your journey.
Yeah.
You were saying that there is a cost to pay. You want water?
No.
You were talking about the cost you have to pay to be a rebel. So what is this cost?
I think cost is leaving your comfort firstly. Because when I say I wanted to be an actor and I have to leave my comfort was my cat and my brother. I had to, and my home, that I have to leave a shelter over my roof and then find something of my own. So for me, that was the biggest sacrifice because I cannot go a day without hugging my cat. But now I am doing it, so that is the biggest sacrifice. And sacrifice could be anything for every person. A sacrifice is a different thing.
Of course.
When I told you about, when I gave you 2 examples, when I say be a rebel, there are many. And when I give you 2 examples of, let's say, career and relationship.
Right.
So in relationship, for example, if 2 people are seeing each other and they want to be like, see a future together, get married and all of that, but person A says that my family won't agree. Even though this person wants the other person, she would give up on it because there is an external force out there telling that you cannot get this, even though no matter how much your heart craves that. And for me, I have personally seen this happening in my life as well. And career-wise, there are many 9-to-5 job people who are doing things they don't want to do. But just because there is stability, they do that. And I think when you want to be a rebel, first thing you do is take a risk. Because for me, I personally believe in the principle of not living in a mindset of what if and regret rather than doing it. मतलब मैं वो कर लूँगी, उसके बाद अगर कुछ हुआ, we'll see it.
I get you.
Hmm.
But
Hmm.
आयशा जी, ये जितना अच्छा सुनने में लग रहा है ना, बहुत डर लगता है.
तो डर तो
It's
सबको
very
है.
scary.
I know.
What do you do? What was your take on this?
And don't you think like if a person is leaving the house at रात को 2:30, there would be a fear in her कि भाई where would I go? But if I would have not fought that fear, I would have not got the job. I would have not got the opportunities of acting I'm doing right now. I would have not got the projects I'm doing right now with productions. I would have not been here if I would have
You're
not.
doing what with productions?
So basically, I can talk about that openly because the productions of मैं करते हैं.
Okay.
But
anything?
yeah, there are some projects that I'm working with. So this is why it happened because I looked beyond fear. Because when you make fear your first step, you don't look beyond the other steps out there. And there's a song, it's called Climb by Miley Cyrus. It's a very beautiful song. In that, she talks about climbing a mountain. Like she said, I can almost see it, that dream I'm dreaming, but there's a voice inside my head that I cannot reach it. And there's always going to be a voice inside your head. Your voice, societal voice, family voice, friend's voice. That तुझे नहीं मिलेगा वो, and I don't let you get that. And for me, I had numerous voices in my head. But at the end of the day, I did what I wanted to. And today, whatever happens in future, I know I chose that life.
Yeah.
I'm not gonna live in a mindset that, my friends or family chose this life and I'm gonna blame them for it. Instead of blaming someone else your whole life, you could blame yourself because at the end it's your consequence, your life. You write your own life.
Right.
I think for me that is the major thing, that sacrifice thing. I look beyond fear, the fear of not being able to hug my cat all the time. But I go and visit him on weekdays or weekends sometimes. But yeah, you have to. होता है ना, कुछ पाने के कुछ छोड़ना पड़ता है. You always have to take.
तो डर लगता था तो क्या करती थी? How do you used to come out of it?
I think for me, music is a very big thing in my life. Music and writing. So whenever I felt low, I either used to listen to songs or I used to start writing a book that I'm writing. I think writing the book has always helped me because I remember going to Marine Drive and carrying my keypad abhi raat ko and like typing on my book.
Your novel, which you're writing.
Yeah, my first novel, the debut novel. I think that these two things have helped me a lot in this journey so far. And yeah, I think these two things have always been my.
No, I get what you're saying. In fact, पता है what happens is, a lot of people would think, and I used to think the same way. Somewhere down the line, बहुत पहले, when I was kiddo, your age, maybe आपसे भी छोटा, कि हाँ, इसे क्या होता है? You know, ये क्या बोल रहे हैं? गाना सुन लो, कुछ लिख लो, पेड़ को हक कर लो, इससे कैसे बदलेगा? How will it change? This sounds so not believable, right? But as I studied clinical psychology, as I understood more lives around me, करके देखो, it works. क्योंकि कहीं ना कहीं जो आप बोल रही हैं, it's not just about किताब पढ़ना, अपना नॉवल लिखना, एक म्यूजिक सुनना. It is just that जो आप खुद को डिनाई करते हो, वो आप करके देखो, and that help comes, that energy, that reboot, whatever you guys call it. What is it called? 2.0 what?
Your pointer, like you.
Yeah, that happens. And that happens because you listen to your heart and you do things which make you happy. It could be as simple as जैसा आपने बताया, it could be as simple as listening to music. So yeah, I do get it. So that's nice. That is actually very, very, very nice. When you do this, you are actually also, and please feel free to have your opinion on this. थोड़ा बहुत you are also clearing your own clouds when you do this. आप constantly उस loop में रहोगे ना कि अरे मेरे साथ तो कुछ अच्छा ही नहीं हो रहा है. There is this constant thing going on कि okay, this also broke, this also is not working. And when you are in this, you kind of stop believing कि मेरे पास कुछ अच्छा है भी. Even that piece of music, which gives me that sense of happiness, this connect which I have with myself. So yeah, I get it. Thank you for this works, and I know it works, and I'm pretty sure people who listen to you, they'll do what their small bits of pleasures coming from heart is, and they'll feel the difference. But I agree to what you're saying. This works very well. What else worked?
Uh, I think I've been lately traveling alone a lot. Solo traveling. I've been going.
Solo travel.
I think solo traveling because before my mindset was कि साथ में कोई ना होना चाहिए. But अब मैं क्या करती हूँ? I travel solo and I have cat food in my bag. So मैं रास्ते में दोस्त बना के घूमती फिरती हूँ cats को खाना लाते लाते.